Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint slide, which is looks really professional and really clean as well in just 3 minutes. Plus, you can get this template from for free from my Patreon link in the description below. So let's start. The first thing you're gonna do is change the format background fill to black and insert a rectangle like which have the width of 3, and we're gonna now go to format shape again and give it a gradient. So we are gonna use two gradient stops. One is gonna be black and one is gonna be purple, and one we are just gonna put into the middle and then move it to the right side. So let's just give the transparency to the black gradient stop, and then we're gonna give it the fourth number of the shadow. We're gonna just duplicate it again and again, and this way we're gonna make about like 10 copies of it. Next we're gonna select all of the on the we're gonna just increase the in between of their the rectangle. We're gonna move them step by step, make the first two of the on both sides a larger, and in the middle ones are gonna be smaller. So this is just gonna be a foot like staircase of height design. So we're gonna put our text and other stuff on it as well, and you can like add your title, logo, navigation pane, and other stuff. We're gonna select all of our like all of these shapes, and we're gonna go to animations, click on vibe animation. We're gonna select these two in the and we're gonna give them the delay of 25 seconds. Later we're gonna select the other two and then give them delay of 50 seconds, and then 75 seconds for the other two. And for the other two we're gonna just give them 1 second of like 1 minute fill delay. Similarly, we're gonna select the order of the like that for the text. I'm gonna just use float in animation. For these boxes that are gonna act as buttons, I'm just gonna use the zoom animation. So let's go. You can use basic zoom animation for these like rectangles. For the title and other logo designs, I'm just gonna use flying animation, but from the top. For these all, I'm just gonna give them flying animation from top, but we're gonna add some delay one by one in each one of them. So here you go. Let me just give them each 5 to like 15-second delay. So this is a preview of what we made. Let's move on to the final result. And here you go. This is the final result, and it looks pretty professional and pretty cool. You can get this template from the link in the description below from my Patreon. And if you're interested to join my Patreon, the link is in the description below, and don't hesitate to join us.